Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Gmail account and security posture. Sign into your Google account, check that two-step verification is on, and create an app password if you'll use SMTP with a less secure client. Once done, note the app password or OAuth client ID/secret. Make sure you have the email address typed exactly, because SMTP authentication is literal. These steps let the server accept connections rather than rejecting them for security reasons. Now you're ready to locate the server settings. Next, find the concrete SMTP details you'll use in your mail client or code. For Gmail, the host is SMTP. Gmail.com. Choose port 587 for Startles or 465 for SSL/TLS. Pick Startles unless your library defaults to explicit SSL. Enter your full Gmail address as the username and supply the app password or OAuth token for authentication. Make sure your client sets authentication equals true and enables the chosen encryption. Otherwise, Gmail will refuse the session or report authentication errors. Finally, send a test email and inspect the response codes and logs. Successful SMTP usually returns a 250 response for data acceptance. If it fails, confirm the app password or OAuth token and that two-step is configured correctly. If you see connection timeouts, make sure ports 587 or 465 aren't blocked by your firewall or ISP. A key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging in your client to capture SMTP dialog. The server's reply lines explain why authentication or TLS negotiation failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.